Greatest inspiration to depression. You may be crying today, and tears are unstoppable. You may be wide awake tonight, and sleep is difficult. You may be afraid of the unknown, as if your future is blurred. You may be sad in one corner, and dark is overpowering. You may be trembling in frustration, as if life is ending. Depression and mental health issues are popular nowadays, affecting almost everyone, adolescents, and even children. It needs immediate attention because the person might be drowned into darkness. The only answer to depression is God. God is so powerful to revert the negatives of depression. Just believe in God and believe in yourself as well. In God, sadness will be replaced by happiness. In God, fears will become strength. In God, heavy heartbeats will turn into excitement. In God, restlessness will become calmness. If you are a performer but depressed, make your performance renowned. If you are a boss but depressed, inspire your subordinates. If you are a mother but depressed, create a good future for your son or daughter. If you are a student but depressed, make a difference to the world. Let us learn to accept the imperfection of life, because in that imperfection, we may be able to appreciate life's beauty. Be inspired by this Bible verse from Matthew chapter 11, verse 28. Come to me, all of you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Brought to you by Billionaire. Don't forget to like and subscribe.